Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to learn some interesting text effect, leaf effect in Canva. In a creative design section, go to YouTube thumbnail. You will get this interface, and in text add a heading and I will write leaf, and for font is very important. We will choose the font 210 black box, this one. Now I will increase its size to the full page and I will change its color to white. You will get the reason. Now in the element section I am going to choose leaves, and from the photos section we will choose this one and we'll set image like this. Now in the edit image you can change the contrast of this. Like this, I am choosing the Capri effect. Now from the element section I will choose a square. You have to write the spelling properly. Sometimes by mistake we type a wrong spelling, so it do not show the exact results. Now I am taking this square and will turn its color to white. Now we have to hide portion of this like this. We have to hide the extra portion like this. Now I will duplicate it. Like this. From all the sides you have to hide it. See how it's looking. Now from the element section I will choose leaf. You have to choose some good images of leaf so that it will give a really good effect to it. Make the duplicate. This layer we have to choose it like backward. Now select this one and we have to go for overlapping it like this. This overlapping effect will look very nice. Now you can choose another leaves and go on like this. Like this. Now you can choose many different types of leaves and can experiment with it like this. Once you learn the idea, you can make your own creativity. If you really like my content, please do subscribe, hit the like button and comment down. It will really motivate me and I will make sure you will get many such amazing content in future. I'm really finding for some creative leaves so I can show you my utmost creativity. Like this, we will send it to backward. Now we will add this to it like this. Like this. Look how beautiful this is looking. You can download it from here by clicking the share button, download. And in the PNG format you can download it. It is looking really beautiful. For many such amazing content, subscribe to Creative Hub AJ. Thank you.